welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the Barbie Signature Style by Maeve Reilly doll. I got her a couple of days ago and I'm going to open her up so we can take a closer look. So this doll does come with the certificate of authenticity, letting you know it is a gold label doll. And I did pay $45 on Mattel Creations. I did a video about her when I found out she was coming, and I'll have that linked in the cards so you can check it out if you want to. But originally when they did the reveal, she was 35, and I was a little annoyed that when I went to purchase her she was 45, but they did send me a $10 coupon for the inconvenience, I guess, and I did order something else with the $10 coupon, so I guess technically I got her for 35, kind of, sort of, if you think of it that way. But anyway, I'm rambling. The doll comes with a doll stand. She has these cute shoes, but mine are completely damaged. This won't stay on her feet because of the way it was in the packaging. But here's the shoes. They are so cute though. I wish they would have made them out of a more sturdy plastic. I love her long faux leather coat here. Super cute. She does come with one earring. I guess that's Maeve's style, and the other ear is actually not even pierced. I'll fix that later because she's gonna be pierced. And like, I did a full review on her. She is so beautiful. She has the Simone face sculpt, and she's just absolutely gorgeous. Her hair has a lot of product in it, and it does have like this asymmetrical blunt cut in the back. It is shedding because of the packaging or what have you. But she's so pretty, and she has this beautiful gold ring here, two plastic necklaces, one gold, one silver. I wish those would have had a metallic finish, as well as this ring. The ring is super cute. She also has these cute bracelets. They're like kind of square. Oh, I love these bracelets. These bracelets are so cute. And I actually like the finish on them. They have like a pearlescent gold color. They're just not just a gold plastic, which I really like. I wish the necklace would at least have that finish. Now the coat here is not lined on the inside or anything, but I do like the coat. The coat is super nice. Although there was a hole, they put a plastic stay in the coat, which I feel like you shouldn't have did that. You know what I mean? Considering, this is faux leather, or even if this was real leather, like, you shouldn't put any plastic in it. But it does have like puffy sleeves. I love this jacket. This jacket is so cute. And she has this beautiful little asymmetrical blouse. It has clear straps on here, but it's supposed to be like a strapless little cute little blouse. It velcros as well as the jeans velcro. Now these jeans are so cute. They're boot cut. They have functional pockets here. Adorable. I think these this outfit is so chic and so beautiful. The boot cut pants are everything. Like, I love these jeans. They're so cute, so on trend for Maeve. Like, I feel like this is an outfit she totally would wear. It's so beautiful. Now she is articulated, so at $45, I don't think that's a bad price, because she does have some articulation. She moves at the neck, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, and she I think she can bend it. Yeah, she bends a little bit at the knee. It's not a lot of movement at the knee, but she's so pretty. Like, I love her little face sculpt, and I love her makeup. She has like a cute little cat eye going with a look to the side. I like a little side look, side eye every now and again. She's so cute. Like, oh my goodness. I was gonna put her back in her box, just because, she's a gold label and she's so pretty, but I actually want to put her on the shelf. I'm coming up with a new series for my dolls. That's why I'm making a lot of different crafts, so I can have different sets for my new series that's coming up. That was always my idea because basically my husband is always away for business and I'm always home playing with my dolls, and I'm like, why not record it? So that was the whole purpose why I started the channel, and crafting and things of that nature. But at any rate, I'm going to add her to my series because she's so pretty. Like, I love her face. I think she's gorgeous. And like I said, I did a full review on her. I'll have that link in the cards, so if you wanted to check that out, because I go really in depth about this doll. And I did a full review just on her alone. I went in detail about Maeve Reilly, the stylist and things of that nature. So if you want that, again, it'll be in the description box. But she's so pretty, and overall, I'm not mad at this doll. Like, I think she's gorgeous. I love her little outfit here. Now, I got 2 other dolls that I'm gonna unbox today or whatever as well, but I'm thinking I'm definitely going to restyle her because I want to give her another earring. But first I have to find her some beautiful earrings. I don't know if I'm gonna make some or try to go out and find some earrings for her, because she's so, well, if she'll have to wear Barbie earrings, or the poster have to be thick. Because well, at least on this one, maybe I can find one that looks similar to this one, or at least like maybe a little stud or something like that, just to have it, because I just don't want the singular. I think the earring is so chic. I wish it would have came with 2, but something is telling me this is Maeve's style, and I don't want to disrespect her by saying this is wrong, but the earrings are so beautiful. I just wish I had 2. That's all I'm saying. Like 2 of these. Beautiful, because these earrings are everything. Okay, I love the style of these earrings, and I'm going to give her like a little makeover and wash this product out her hair and everything, because I'm adding her to the shelf. I might give her a made to move body, I might not. I mean, when it comes, I like made to move for the posability, because like the double jointed arms and things of that nature. But the thing is, I don't like all the joints on the made to move body. So I tend to like these dolls because they don't have as many joints and they look a little bit more realistic, more natural. And I'm basically, I just placed the order on AliExpress. Well, I placed it a while ago. I'm still waiting on it. And I ordered some different bodies, some mink. I think they're mink. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I ordered like some different body styles, body types or whatever that don't have as many joints. I know they're taller than Barbie dolls, but I want to try something new, and I'll show that as soon as my order comes. But yeah, this is my girl here, and I'm gonna move right on to my next doll here. She's so pretty. Okay, yeah, and her coat is so chic. Like, this whole outfit is chic. I just wish these shoes were better, because this I'm not happy with. Like, one of the shoes, and if you look at the shoes, if they could have got this together, these shoes would have been so cute. Because it has like the square heel here. This would have been so cute if the plastic was more sturdy. And I just feel like they dropped the ball with that. Like, step it up, especially on a gold label. Like, do better, Mattel. Make the shoes more durable, because this is not acceptable. I'm sorry. So I found the Juan Gabriel doll, and I did a video about this doll because she has the Odell face sculpt or what have you, and I just had to have her in my collection. She is so beautiful, and I got her for $47 at Target. I'll show the receipts. It'll pop up somewhere right here. But I got her when Target, for Black Friday, they were doing $25 off of an order of 100, I think. And I bought her then so I could get her at least for that price. She's so pretty. I'm gonna get her out of the packaging. Okay, so here she is out of the packaging. She does have box hair, but she's so pretty. She has this cute little curl right here, a high ponytail. Now here, they did Juan Gabriel some justice, okay? She is beautifully dressed in this beautiful outfit. Like, I love it. I did a full review on her too, but this outfit is so cute. And the metallic jewelry is gorgeous. The metallic earrings, I love the necklace. She does come with this a microphone here and a metallic gold ring. Okay, like that is so cute. Now these shoes are super cute, but I can't get them to stay on the doll when I put them on. Oh, now it's gonna stay. That's hilarious. But wait till I put the other one on. You'll see what I mean. They fall off. So, but I love the outfit here. This is a two-piece. So up underneath here, you see the straps. She's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And her earrings are, so the earrings are removable is what I was saying. I was just having a hard time because it had plastic, I guess, to protect it. And I was having a hard time getting it off, and I didn't want to like snatch it off and break it. I done broke some beautiful doll earrings in the past, and I don't want that to happen again. She is on a Model Muse body for $55.99. I really think there should have been at least the articulation that the Maeve Reilly doll comes on, but you know, it is what it is. She's so cute. I love her. Like, oh my goodness, she's so pretty. So this is her from head to toe. Oh, and she's just so beautiful. Like, oh my God, I'm so happy. She was a must-have doll for me. A must-have. Like, seriously, I had to have this doll into my collection. Now, she does come with a certificate of authenticity, letting you know it is a black label doll. She comes with a doll stand. Her doll stand looks different. So here she is with her doll stand. Like I said, she's so beautiful, and I'm literally very happy to have added this doll into my collection. I wanted to give her a made to move body, but I'm going to leave it up to you guys because I have one more doll to open. I ordered this doll a while ago, and I knew that I was getting her some kind of way, even if I didn't want to pay the premium, because I saw her on Walmart and she was like $100, and then she got to $70, and then she $59.99, and then she dropped to $55.99. And me, I'm always looking for a deal, hence the reason why I wasn't able to get any of the Wicked dolls, because I waited too late. I wanted, anyway, that's a whole nother story. But at any rate, when I found her at Target for that price after on Black Friday with the discount, I jumped on it. So my other doll, I knew I wanted to open them up together. So let me get her my Pink Premiere Gala Collection doll. I have her, so I'm gonna open her up here. Yes, but I got her when she first came out. I did a video on both this Juan Gabriel doll and her. I'll have that video again linked into the cards if you're interested. But I said that I was getting both of these dolls, and she was available, but the Juan Gabriel doll sold out on MattelCreations.com, and I'm kind of glad. Well, she's an exclusive, so you can only get it at Mattel Creations, but they don't have free shipping the way Target do. Duh. So I'm gonna open her up and get her out of the packaging. Her little bracelet will not stay on. It's like warped. It's really big. It's like I keep putting it on and it won't stay on. Let me try again while she's on the doll stand. Okay, so here she is right out of the packaging. Gorgeous. I love her little face. She's gorgeous. I love her metallic jewelry. I love her pink dress. She had plastic wrapped around and she was stitched in, so I had to like get a seam ripper to open up the stitch and get the plastic off of her. She has the bend and click knees, and she's on a curvy Model Muse body. She's gorgeous. I love her pink dress, the little sleeves here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. She has a faux skirt, a faux stole here with the Barbie logo embedded on the back here as far as the lining, and she has on these cute little hot pink shoes. She's so pretty. She is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm glad I waited to unbox her to go with her sister here because I'm feeling like these two are sisters. And I was trying to see because they look to be about the same complexion, and I only have another made to move body that will match them. And I want to see you guys drop down in the comments, which one would you like to see? Would you like to see the Pink Premiere doll on the made to move, or the Juan Gabriel doll? Because one of these girls is getting a made to move body. I'm just saying, one of them is, because they both have the Odell face mold. So yeah, I don't know which one, you know what I mean? I don't know which one is gonna get it, but we'll see. But yeah, I love her dress. Her dress has this beautiful train back here. So gorgeous. She has beautiful long blonde hair. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so gorgeous. I love this shade of pink too. This shade is given very much so classic Barbie pink, like so freaking beautiful. Yeah, so pretty much these are my dolls. I wanted to unbox these ladies together. The Maeve Reilly doll, I just, when it came, because I always had the intention of opening the Gabriel doll with the Pink Premiere together, and then when I got Maeve Reilly, I just threw her in because they're all Barbie Signature and they're all gorgeous, and they all were highly anticipated, at least by me. I wanted them really, really bad, hence why when I found about them, I had to drop and do a video let you guys know what was coming. Now, this doll does come with a certificate of authenticity as well. It's on paper, just like the Juan Gabriel doll, black label doll here, and the doll stand is very similar to the Juan Gabriel doll, except hers is like clear and it has glitter embedded inside of the plastic. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to share your thoughts down in the comment section down below. Also, share the video. Sharing is caring. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell if you haven't done so already. Until the next time, guys. Bye.